Dear students, in the today's session, we will continue with the exercise 5a, question number 11. X plus 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 27. First, we have to bring it to standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The given equation is not in the standard form. So, we can multiply both sides, or we can apply the identity a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square, that is x square, plus minus b square, that is 3 square. 3 square is 9, is equal to 27. Therefore x square is equal to 27 plus 9, that is equal to 36. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus square root of 36, that is plus or minus 6. Therefore solution set is 6 plus 6 minus 6. Both the answers. Correct? So question number 12 is, x square minus 30x, x square minus 30x plus 216 is equal to 0. So you have to find out the value for 216. 216. So 216. X square minus, so if you multiply you should get 216, if you add or subtract you should get 30. 2 ones 0 to 8, so 1 will not be divisible by 2, therefore 2 zeros are, then 16 will get 2 8s are. Next 2 5s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 7, 14. Next 3 9, 3 3, 3 1. 2 to the 4, 1 remains, 2 7 is 3 9. So now we have to search for numbers. So 3 to the 9, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Now we should get 30. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 18. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 9 to the 18. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 18. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 3 to the 9, 9 to the 18. 18 plus 12, minus 18, minus 12, minus 18, minus 12. Correct? Minus 18, minus 12. 18 plus 12, 30. Correct? Minus and minus plus. So x square minus 18x minus 12x plus 216 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 18 minus 12 is common. X minus 12 is 12. 12 1 9 96 18 is equal to 0. X minus 18 is one factor. X minus 12 is another factor, is equal to 0. 0 product rule. X minus 18 is equal to 0 or x minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to 18, comma 12. Because x is equal to 18 or x is equal to 12. So 18 and 12. Solution set is, what is the solution set? 18, comma 12. 18, comma 12. So, note down this sum. So question number 13 I will give as homework. Okay? So note down this sum again. So now 14th question. 2x square minus 7x is equal to 39. Now bring it to standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay? So 2x square minus 7x minus 39 is equal to 0. So you have to multiply these two. 39 into 2. 1878. So find the two numbers. This is minus 78x square. Find the two numbers such that the product of the two numbers should be equal to minus 78x square, and add, if you add or subtract, you should get minus 7x. So we will see 78, 2 3s, 2 9s, 3 1, 3 3. So 13, so 3 plus 6, 13 plus 6, 13 minus 6, that is 7. So 13, this is minus 13x into plus 6x. Okay, minus 13x into plus 6x, that is minus 13x plus 6x. So 2x square minus 13x plus 6x minus 39 is equal to 0. So what is the common here? X. 2x minus 13 plus 3. Common. X minus 13 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 13 is equal to 0. 2x minus 13 is one factor. X plus 3 is another factor, is equal to 0. Either 2x minus 13 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 13, x is equal to 13 by 2, or x is equal to minus 3. So these are the solution sets. Understood? Now we will move on to 15th question. I want to give it as homework. So homework question is 15th. Homework question is 15th. 16th I will do now. 16th. So what is the 16th question says? 15x square minus 28 is equal to 0. So bring it to standard form. This implies 15x square minus x minus 28 is equal to 0. Now we have to multiply these two. 28 into 15. 28 into 15. 15 is 120. 15 to 30 plus 2, 42, 420. So that is minus 420 x square. So what are the factors? If you do factorization, you will get 21 into 20. 21, 20. 21 into 20. That is minus 21 plus 20. 21 is 20, 22 is 40 plus 1. 20, 40, 22 is 40. 21 is 20, 22 is 40 plus 2, 40, 44, 20, correct. So now 15x square minus 21x plus 20x minus 28 is equal to 0. So what is the common factor here? 3x. 5x remains, here 7 remains, plus here what is the common factor we can take? 4. 4 is the common factor. 4, 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. Either 5x minus 7 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. 5x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7 by 5. This is one factor. Or 3x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 4 by 3 is the another factor. So these are the answers for question. Okay. So take down these two sums. So I am giving question number 17 and 18 as homework, and I am going for 19 sum. X into 6x minus 11 is equal to 35. First bring it to standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. 6x into x, 6x square minus 11x is equal to 35. Correct? 6x square minus 11x minus 35 is equal to 0. Now we have to multiply these two. 35 into 6, 210. So find out two numbers so that the product should be equal to 210, and if you add a sum should be equal to 11. So 210, 3730. Next 2325. 7551. Now 714 15. So 7 to 14 or 21 10. 21 minus 10. So that is 11. So 21 and 10. So 21 into 21 10. Here minus, here plus, here x, here x, here into. So 6x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 35 is equal to 0. So what is the common factor? 3x. 2x minus 7 plus 5 common. 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 7 into 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x minus 7 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7 by 2. This is one solution set or roots. 3x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 3 is the another root of the equation. Correct? So take down this sum. The next question is question number 20. 6x into 3x minus 7 is equal to 7 into 7 minus 3x. So first step is bringing to standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So multiply. 6 3 is the 18 x square, 6 7 is 42 x, 7 7 is 49, 7 3 is 21 x. 18x square minus 42x plus 21x. I am bringing it to I. LHS minus 49 is equal to 0. 18x square minus 21x minus 49 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to find out the 49 into 18. We need 82. We have to find out two numbers, that is minus 42 into 21. So 42, 21. You do it using factorization, prime factorization. You will get the two numbers 42 and 21. This is minus 42. This is plus. This is x into x. So 18x square minus 42x plus 21x minus 49 is equal to 0. 6 common factor 6x, 3x minus 7 plus 7 is common factor 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x minus 7 one factor, 6x plus 7 another factor is equal to 0. 3x minus 7 is equal to 0 or 6x plus 7 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7 by 3 or 6x is equal to minus 7, x is equal to minus 7 by 6. So these are the two factors or these are the two roots of the equation or solution set of the equation. Question number 20. So today I will end up this session, and next session I will start with question number 21. Question number 20. Thank you.